Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net. So we're here today with another Cricut Basics video. Today we're going to talk about making stickers. So you can make stickers with either the Cricut Explore series or the Cricut Maker, and you can make any stickers you want. So any stickers you can imagine, you can print them and then cut them on your Cricut. So let's dive in and look at the materials that you would use to make stickers. So you have a few options when making stickers with your Cricut. So this is a printable vinyl. It's adhesive back vinyl, but you can actually print on it. And then Cricut also makes some sticker papers. So there's printable clear sticker paper and just regular printable sticker paper. Now, the Cricut printable sticker papers, I have tons of people having problems with these because they're so thick and hard to run through your printer. So what I really don't recommend their printable sticker paper. What I recommend is just getting some adhesive label stock that has no divisions. So this is just a sheet of labels, but it has no divisions. So it's just one sheet that's adhesive. You can then print, then cut on your Cricut, and then use these just like stickers. So that's what I recommend if you want a traditional sticker paper. From what I use, I generally use the printable vinyl for all of my stickers. So I love how thin it is. I like the thinner feeling of the stickers. So if you wanted just a thin sticker, so it would feel like vinyl, but it would be something that's printed, I would go with printable vinyl for all of your stickers. If not, you want something thicker, more like a sticker, then I would go with label stock that is one sheet of adhesive labels. You can pick these up on Amazon. I'll drop a link below for where I get mine. Then once you have your design, you'll need to print it onto your surface. So I'm going to use the printable vinyl to make these for illustration. And I just printed these on an inkjet printer. Now, you will notice if you're printing something and you have the bleed on, so you'll notice a little bleed around the edges of your stickers, but that's okay. So what it's going to use that for is to cut around. And then you'll also notice this black box. So if you don't know a lot about print and cut, I'll link a video below, but it uses this black box for the print and cut function. And then all you have to do is put this face up on your mat. A blue mat works fine. And you'll also notice that all of the products that I used had a white background. Now the Explorer and the Maker will do print and cut with a white background. If you have the Maker, you can actually use light colors, so you can kind of look into some other label options when you are doing print and cut stickers. So now that we have our material on our mat and it's printed, we can head to the machine and cut our stickers. Then we'll cut our design. It's done cutting, just remove from the machine. Then once it's done cutting, you can just remove this from the mat. And now your stickers are ready. So you can peel and stick these right on any surface or in your planner. So it's super easy, and now I have a sheet of stickers ready for my planner. I do want you to keep in mind that the maximum size that you can print and cut on the Cricut is 9.25 by 6.75 inches. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about your sticker designs and the layout of your stickers on your page so you don't waste as much material. This was just for illustration, and there's quite a bit of space in between the stickers, so it would waste some material. So I would move those closer together if I was actually printing a sticker sheet that I was going to use for my planner. Now, I'll drop a link for the download for this one below, so you can grab that. And I will drop some links for the materials I used, as well as some other videos that might be helpful if you're just starting with your Cricut and just starting with print and cut. If you have any questions about anything we've covered today, drop those in the comment section below. Question about your Cricut that you don't think we've ever covered, drop that in the comment section below too, and I'll give you a link to a video that answers your question, do a future video, or answer your question right in the comment section. If you love this video, if it helped you, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss any of our videos, and check out past videos that probably answers the questions you have about your Cricut machine. So thank y'all so much for joining me, and I'll be back next week with another Cricut video. Thanks y'all. Bye-bye.